Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is my video. I'll be explaining to you guys different kinds of measurements, how to take measurements from up to down. Okay guys, before we move to the tutorial video, kindly click on the subscriber button under this video so that when I post another one you will get notified. Thank you. Let's move to the tutorial. Now look at the basic side we are going to measure. Now the neck measurement, hold 2 fingers inside tape and measure around the base of your neck to get a breathing space. 2. Shoulder measurement is taken from one tip of the shoulder to the other. Now, chest measurement is taken from underarms at largest point of the chest circumference. The sleeve you measure from top of arm down to the wrist elbow bent slightly. Now the wrist you measure around the circumference of the wrist holding one finger inside tip as shown. Now the length you measure from top of the shoulder down towards the crotch to the desired length. Waist measurement, measure around the narrowest part of your torso where the pants are normally worn. Now the hip, measure along the widest part of your buttock, along the largest part of your seat. The crotch, measure from your waist down towards the thigh, back to the waistline. Now the thigh, measure along the circumference of your thigh below the crotch seam. On the knee measurement, measure along the circumference of your knee, recording an exact measurement as shown. Outsseam or trouser length, you measure from top of your waistline down to the desired length as shown. Now the leg opening, measure around the circumference of your ankle bone to the desired wideness of your choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.